Hey guys, Julian from Prestige Tyre and Auto in Sydney here. Today I've got this brand new BYD Shark 6. I'm going to be running through a heap of wheel and tyre combinations. This is going to be the ultimate Shark wheel and tyre guide. For some of you purchasing your new Shark, it may be your first four-wheel drive you've owned. For others, you may be familiar with wheels and tyres coming from other brands of four-wheel drive. No matter what your experience in four-wheel drives, we're happy to help. No question is a stupid question, so please don't hesitate to reach out by contacting us. I'm going to run through the nitty-gritty of wheel and tyre fitment in this video, so there's going to be a lot of information. There's a number of factors in choosing the right wheel and tyre combination for you. Looks, fuel economy, legalities in your state, and also your vision. I'll be running through some common fitments at standard height for your BYD Shark 6 to help you visualize what we can offer you. Let's get started from the beginning with upgrading the stock tires on your original Shark 6 wheels. The BYD Shark 6 is a 6-on-139 stud pattern that comes out with an 18x8 size wheel and a positive 45 offset from factory. The original tire size is a 265/65/18 Continental tire. This combo is fine for the road, but let's be real, it doesn't complement the performance or the looks of this vehicle. Here's what you can do to improve the looks and functionality while keeping your factory wheels. Upgrade to an all-terrain tire. A few benefits to upgrading to all-terrain tires include increased ground clearance when selecting a taller tire size, improved off-road performance, increased load rating to handle more weight when loaded in the vehicle, puncture resistance, and increased tire life. On the vehicle, we've just fitted up a set of Yokohama's latest release, the G018. These are the exact same size as standard, being a 265/65/18 tire. If you're looking for a very road load noise, capable all-terrain tire that will spend most of its life on the road, look no further than the G018. Now we're going to jump up a size on the stock wheels to a 265/70/18. This tire gives 15 mils additional ground clearance and a nice fitment on your stock wheels while improving on and off-road performance. On this side of the vehicle, we have the Yokohama G016, a much more aggressive tire for road and off-road use. It features high levels of wet and dry grip, a more aggressive sidewall, which not only looks great, but also offers traction off-road, stone ejectors between the tread block, push out anything getting stuck. They are suitable for beach driving, trails, water crossings, and even some mud work. We've been selling the Yokohama G016 for over 4 years now, with many happy customers seeing over 80,000 kilometers of tire life with proper tire maintenance. Over on this side of the car, we have the Yokohama G017. This is a super durable and capable all-terrain tire, which is designed and engineered for remote areas and demanding off-road environments. The compound resists cuts and chips, promoting longer tread life when driving on sharp rocks or shale, likely to cut into your tire. If you're going somewhere where a tire is going to be abused in a crazy way, the G017 is the tire that you want to choose. When upgrading tire sizes, we can offer you a few different ranges from Yokohama. Pause this video to check out the sizes that are available for your stock wheels and the patterns available from Yokohama. Now, let's talk about aftermarket wheel and tire combinations. 18-inch is the go-to size for your Shark. Luckily, 18-inch is one of the most common sizes for modern four-wheel drives, so there's plenty of options. There's also two key factors to keep in mind when selecting a wheel and tire combo. Having a bull bar or a lift kit fitted will generally increase the clearance that you have in a variety of ways. Another important factor to note is wheel offset, which plays a crucial role in determining whether the tire will rub or not. The lower the offset number, the further out the wheel will sit outside the guard, which increases your scrub radius, which increases your chances of your tires rubbing. So if you see a combo in this next part of the video and you think, I like that, but I want the wheels to stick out more and go to a lower offset, this is going to give you a good chance that the wheel and tire combo will rub. So let's start off with the first combo. This is the 18-inch ROH Raid wheel. The wheel specs are an 18x9 with a positive 35 offset, and the tire size that we've fitted is a 265/70/18 in a Yokohama G016. This combo allows the wheel to sit flush in the guard and gains around 15 millimeters of more ground clearance for your Shark. It's functional, will have minimal impact on your fuel consumption, and requires no modifications to fit. This is an excellent bolt-on package for your Shark that's functional and looks perfect. This next combo has a little bit more aggression in the fitment and has been very popular with our customers. This is the ROH Assault wheel. These are an 18x9 with a positive 25 offset. Compared to the combination you just saw previously, these fill the guards out a little more due to the lower offset and wider tire. They bolt straight on with no modifications or rubbing issues and certainly look the part. They function well on and off road with a larger tire offering more traction. These two next combos show two fitments and styles available from Method race wheels. The first combo is the Method MR703. It's an 18x9 positive 40 offset fitted with a 285/65/18 Yokohama G016 tire. The fitment is flush and perfect. The added benefit of the Method 703 is that it features Method's bead grip technology, which allows you to run very low tire pressures off-roading without the worry of the tire debeading or coming off the wheel. Bead grip acts just like a beadlock wheel, holding your tire on at super low pressures, but they're road legal. The bead grip is a huge benefit if you're doing a lot of off-roading work, as it can make or break you getting out of a sticky situation off-road when you need to drop those few extra PSI out of your tires. This second Method combo is the Method MR318. It's an 18x9 positive 18 offset fitted with a 285/65/18 Yokohama G016 tire. The fitment is more on the aggressive side with a level of poke out of the side of the guards with the 285 width and the positive 18 offset pushing us further out. The MR318 features a multi-spoke design with a clean lip finish and a flat center cap with Method's signature 3D design cap. Keep in mind that all of these wheels come in a variety of colors, so we'll surely be able to have something available for the color combo you're after. This is the final combo that I'm going to show you guys today. By far the fattest, widest tire that we can fit on the Shark at stock height. This combo is an 18-inch ROH wheel, which is an 18x9 with a positive 35 offset, fitted with a true 33 12.5/18 tire in a Maxxis AT811. The stance on this looks absolutely unreal, and the width of the tire really makes the Shark look beefy without sticking outside the guards excessively. So this is not a fitment for everyone, but I think it looks absolutely wicked. Well guys, that concludes our video for today for the Ultimate Shark 6 wheel and tire guide. If you've liked what you've seen, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want anything wheel and tire related, be sure that Prestige Tire and Auto is your first choice to deck out your BYD Shark 6. I'll put our contact details at the end of this video in the outro, so you've got everything there, and you can contact us on many platforms. We've also got a huge range of other products from Kinetic 4x4, including roller shutters, canopies, floor mats, tub racks, and a huge range which are available to view on our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.